But she was kind of confused about it, so it could be hers.
Well, she wrote the last note yesterday, so it is hers.
Yesterday?
Yeah, she wrote a note in our file
Okay.
about it yesterday, so it should be hers.
Yeah, because I read my notes from last time and yeah, there was a debate about it, but okay.
Yeah, she's been updating the notes in the system for it, so I guess it is hers.
From my file, it should be hers. Are we expecting her today?
I believe so.
Okay.
And I could see that she did send discovery on July 11th.
Okay, and they'll bring you in. If you have any problems, just come on out and get one of us.
Okay.
Okay, you should be out.
Good morning, Mr. Trussell.
He's mine, Michelle. I'll
Okay.
jump in there.
Miss Nance, do you need to speak with the prosecutor?
No, ma'am, I have everything. We are ready whenever the court is ready.
Great. What are we doing?
It's going to be a waiver.
Okay, hold on a second.
I'll go ahead and do it then, Miss Nance.
Okay.
People
Okay.
versus Tyler Rorich. Miss Nance, on behalf of Mr. Rorich.
Good morning, Judge. May it please the court, Janecki Nance, P 68686. Mr. Rorich, would you please state your name for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Tyler Rorich.
Good morning. And my understanding, according to your attorney, that this is going to be a waiver?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by agreeing to this waiver by Zoom, that you're giving up your rights to have testimony taken whereby the prosecution would have to prove probable cause that a crime was committed and probable cause to believe that you were involved in the commission of that crime?
Yes, ma'am.
Defendant and his attorney having consented by Zoom, I'll bind the defendant over the arraignment on the information will take place 1 week from today, since he's in custody on, what's the date, 1 week from today? On July the 26th at 9 a.m. and I'll continue the bond.
Judge, may I ask the court to refer this for a?
I will do that. Yep, I'll refer it to pretrial services.
I appreciate it. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. We'll let
You're
Ms. Mandernack know. Have a great day.
Thank you.
too.
Have a great one. Bye-bye.
You're going right to the exam, right? Yeah. Yeah, I think that's fast. You guys go. Says it is.
Good morning, Miss.
Ms. Mandernack, I just did a waiver on Rorich. Did you have anything else?
A waiver on Rorich?
Yep. To next week, because he's in custody.
Okay.
Do you have anything else?
I have a PCC for Stanley Perkins and I have James Trussell PCC.
Okay, Mr. Trussell and Mr. Perkins are both here. We're waiting on the attorneys for both, so.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Yeah,
so-
just hang out, yeah.
You said you put Rorich over for next week?
Yeah, he waived and it goes to the AOI next Wednesday.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
Mr. Trussell,
Yes,
so did you retain Mr. Martell?
yesterday I retained him. I have to get the money into him and everything and for him to look at my case, review my
Okay,
case.
so, but you are retaining him.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just make sure he sends us, an appearance.
Well, Ms. Mandernack, since Mr. Trussell retained Mr. Martell yesterday or is in the process of it, he's not gonna appear today. Why don't I adjourn it 1 week?
That'd be great, Your Honor. That would also give me time to get discovery over to Mr. Martell.
Well, yeah, don't jump the gun
If
until
he's retained.
Martell, until
Yeah.
he's retained, but. Is it, Mr. Trussell, do you understand? We'll adjourn it out 1 week so that you can, get Mr. Martell retained and, let him know this date in front of Judge Martin next week, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's gonna be July the 26th. Michelle, what time?
8:45 a.m.
At 8:45 a.m. and they're gonna send you a notice for Zoom, but it'll be a different number because it's with, Judge Martin, okay?
It's at 8:45.
Correct.
Ask them, do you have to come?
Do I have to come here to do the Zoom? Cause I don't.
No, oh, are you in the building?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you can do it from your home.
Okay, so how would I get to, y'all see you're gonna text or mail me the information to be able to get on Zoom or whatever?
They're going to mail it to you. She's gonna mail it to you today, I think, Michelle.
Yes.
So you'll get the Zoom ID in the mail. Worst case scenario, you can go on our website and click through to Judge Martin's courtroom. I could actually give you the phone number, the user ID for Zoom if you want.
What's the judge's name?
Yes, yes.
It's Judge Martin. And her Zoom meeting room, are you ready? I'm gonna give you a phone, I'm gonna give you the Zoom ID.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
It's 580-707-8882.
Okay, and that's the ID?
And that's the, yep, it'll say, when you go to join a Zoom, it'll say user or whatever phone number, and you click in and put that number in, and it'll go right to Judge Martin's.
Okay.
Okay then, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. She'll see you next week. Make sure, and you let
Hold
Mr.
on.
Martell know that also, okay?
Yes, what you said, 1 minute,
What's the main number?
the main number.
To Zoom?
That is the number. That is the number. That's the ID number that you put in to join Judge Martin's Zoom.
Okay.
There's no password or anything like that. That is
Okay.
Okay then, thank you.
that's the 10-digit number. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mhm.
Yeah. Ms. Tucker, are you here on Mr. Montanez?
So how you go up here?
You're muted.
Okay. Have her to him to do it.
Oh, sorry about that. Yes, I am. Good morning.
Yeah, we're waiting on the old jail. We don't have him yet.
Okay.
But in
no
the
problem.
meantime, do you need to talk to Ms. Yafufi?
Yes, Your Honor.
Actually, Judge, that's a special prosecutor, Alina Rozak.
Oh, I will say, who's the special?
Alina Rozak?
I have Lindsay Calhoun. That's not right.
No, I think.
Oh,
that's
actually,
his-
I have two different. I have two files for him, and one is Edinburgh Bergdahl, and the other is Calhoun. Who do you think it
Yes, Your
is?
Honor, he has 2 cases.
Yep. Is it two different prosecutors?
That I do not know. I just got his other case like 2 days ago.
That would probably be well, now I don't even know, the July 2nd one. You probably had the first one, the June 30th one, and now the July 2nd one was added. Who do
Correct.
you think the prosecutor is, Rima?
Alina Rozak?
You cut out. Alina what?
Alina Rozak, Rozek.
Is it ELENA or AL?
It is ELENA.
Okay. All right, we'll wait for Miss Rozak. I take it though, you're gonna want an adjournment, Miss Tucker?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor. Because I have paper discovery, but I don't have any digital.
We can wait it out. We've got a couple of choices. You can wait for the prosecutor and your client. We can give you another date and we can let the prosecutor know, and we can let your client know that you'll be in touch when the old jail jumps on. It's your choice.
You know what, we can, since I'm just gonna adjourn it because I'm still waiting on discovery, we can just adjourn it and then
the jail can do. As long as you waive my client's appearance for right now, I'm okay with that.
That's fine, and we'll let him know that you were on and that you'll be in contact and that you're getting discovery. Do you want
Okay.
1, 2, or 3 weeks?
2 weeks, because next week I'll be in a trial.
2 weeks is August the 2nd with Judge Martin by Zoom. And Michelle, what time?
8:30 because it's in custody.
Oh, yeah, that's right. At 8:30 because of the in custody.
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you, and we'll let everybody know. Have a good day.
Okay, you too.
Judge, do you know what that attorney's first name was on the Melendez-Ortiz case?
Tamika.
You got it, thank you.
Yep. Are you emailing APA Rosette?
I am,
Okay, perfect. So she doesn't have to appear, just give her the new date.
right. The new date, it's set for PCC 2 weeks out, right?
Correct, at 8:30.
Thank you.
Good morning, Ms. Jefferson. Good morning, Counsel, Attorney Jefferson.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have.
Oh, I'm the clerk. That's okay.
Okay.
We have Mr. Perkins here. Do you need to speak with him?
I do, please.
Okay, let me put you in a breakout room with him. Rima,
Yes, sorry, I'm here.
that's okay. Do you need to speak to your victim on the Mandelka case?
Sure, if they're here.
Yeah,
Um,
I'll put him in your meeting room.
All right, thank you.
Is the prosecutor here?
For Perkins?
Right,
Yep, good morning.
good morning. Can I have a breakout room to prosecutor?
Yes.
Miss Mandernack, you can grab her and take her into a breakout room.
Alrighty.
I guess I should say back in.
Yeah,
Okay.
accept the request.
Okay,
Did she move you? Let me see. No. Yeah, there she moved her. Good morning, Kate.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
All right,
We have Mr. Hall here. Do
perfect.
you need to speak with the prosecutor?
No, we're still waiting to hear from Ypsilanti sobriety court, so we're just getting another date.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. How much time do you need?
The next, sorry, let me just pull up my calendar. Because the court needs Mr. Hall to come in to observe the sobriety court for the men's program, which is at the end of the month. So maybe we could do this the 2nd of August. I think that would be the soonest that we would have the answer.
Kate, did you say 2 weeks?
Yes, August 2nd.
I can do 8:45 a.m. with Judge Martin.
That works.
okay, Madam Clerk, we are ready on Perkins at any time.
Okay,
Thank
hold
you.
on a second. I'm helping someone else. All right, Mr. Hall and Kate, I'll send you a new notice today.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
People
Have a good day.
versus,
Melissa Santiago.
Thank you.
people versus Stanley Perkins.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Madernack with the People, P84088.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thomas St. Jefferson on behalf of Stanley Perkins. And Mr. Perkins, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, my name is Stanley Perkins. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What are we doing on this?
Your Honor, we're setting this matter for a exam, and we do want to address bond at some point.
I have an exam date of August the 22nd at 10:30.
Right quick. It's almost all the good.
Does that work for you, Miss Jefferson?
Actually, it doesn't. Do we have any other dates or later, or I don't know if the court does them in the afternoon or not?
I've got the next day on the 23rd, and you could be at 11:30.
Okay, that will work.
The 23rd works for the People, Your Honor.
All right, and that's live on August 23rd at 11:30. Go ahead on to as to bond.
Your Honor, currently, Mr. Stanley indicates to me that he is employed. At least he was. He said he's been sitting there about 2 weeks, but I believe they're holding his job for him. His girlfriend is currently pregnant due to delivery on September 11th. He indicates he does not have any other cases pending. He would return for all future court dates because he wants to get this matter behind him. And so we are asking the court to give him a personal bond at this point.
Ms. Mandernack, I don't know anything about this case.
Judge, in this case, defendant is charged with felonious assault with a motor vehicle, domestic violence, or I'm sorry, child abuse 4th degree and domestic violence. The child abuse 4th degree comes from the fact that the child was in complaining witness's car when defendant allegedly chased complaining witness with his car while she was in her car and tried to ram her. If the court.
Is this the person that is now pregnant, Ms. Jefferson?
No, Your Honor, no. That's the estranged wife, I believe, or
Okay,
ex-wife.
okay.
And Judge, since the parties are still going through a divorce, I would just request that defendant be released with a GPS tether for the safety of complaining witness.
I'll do a personal bond with the GPS tether.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Good morning, Josh.
Good morning.
I don't see your client yet.
I think I've got two up today. I asked Nicole Hamilton to log in a little bit early today.
Okay. Okay.
Rima, can I meet with you in a breakout room real quick?
Sure. Meeting room.
Headed your way.
Well, you're not a co-host and the judge, I gotta get her to do it. Hold on. Oh, yeah,
looks
she
like
did.
it's
She did. She did. Go ahead. Good morning, Mr. Is it Kutinsky?
Yes, hi, how are you?
Good. I don't see your client yet.
I don't know that they're going to appear.
Well, it's a pretrial. It's a
Yes.
misdemeanor.
Let's see, I may have told them they didn't have to. I thought it was a civil infraction.
Nope.
Oh boy, hold on, let me see. Yeah, that's a problem. Can you give me a minute? Let's see if I can get them on.
Good morning, Attorney Bates.
Good morning.
Do you need to speak with the prosecutor?
Yes, I'll speak with her.
Or your client's here too. I don't know if you need to, do you need to speak to your client first?
No, we spoke yesterday.
Okay, perfect. Josh, is that your client? Okay, here, Heather's talking to her real quick.
Believe Rima's calling the APA, or Rima's calling the APA. The Rima is calling the complainant on this one right now, so I'll happen to meet with Miss Hamilton whenever
Okay.
I can call her if she's not turned on her audio.
Mr. Kaczynski, do you want me to put you in with the prosecutor?
Yes, that'd be great.
Okay, hold
Thank you.
on. It can't be. I wrote in the wrong one.
Michelle Nicole Hamilton was able to get her audio activated. We're just waiting to hear back from Rima.
Okay. So where's she at? Okay,
I just left her in my breakout room because
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna need to
move
have
her back to Heather.
Okay.
Rima, you have another attorney waiting in your
Meeting room, I'll be there in a second. All right,
okay.
thank you.
Miss Bates, what are we doing in your case?
Setting the exam.
You have all discovery?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
People versus Terry Lopez. Mr. Lopez, did you do the payment plan like I asked you to do? Mr. Lopez, you gotta unmute.
Hello. Yes, I made a payment on last Wednesday.
You made a payment plan last Wednesday?
It wasn't a payment plan, but I made a payment. I was online. I didn't see how to do a plan. I made a payment.
How much did you make of a payment?
$100.
Okay, when are you you have to ask for a payment plan. You have to go on and ask for a payment plan. Do you understand?
Yeah. I can pay the rest. I'll pay the rest on Friday.
Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna give your attorney a date on the other file though, but I want you to be in a payment plan and working towards paying it off or pay it off between now and that date.
Okay.
Which is gonna be August 23rd at 11:45.
August 23rd, 11:45. Okay.
Correct. And that's a live exam.
Okay.
Do you understand, Mr. Lopez?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you then. You're gonna be live on that day.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day, everyone.
You too. Mr. Jadala, are you ready on something?
Your Honor, yes, I'm ready on Mrs. Levis as well as Mr. Casson. We're just asking for some time so they could clear some outstanding matters for both of them.
All right, Michelle will give you dates on both.
Thank you.
How much time do you need?
We need at least until the second week of August, middle of August.
Okay. So on Levis, I can do
Excuse me,
August
can I
2nd.
Say something real quick.
Samara, she's trying to say something.
I'm going to California, like 2 weeks into August. It's gonna be the same as a Zoom meeting that I could like.
Yes, it is. It is gonna be a Zoom.
Okay, thank you so much.
So I can do either August 2nd, or I guess that's my only Zoom one I have in August right now.
Yes, see,
Does that work, Samara?
I believe Ms. Levis needs until after August 3rd to have her physical, actual valid license. So maybe a week later.
Okay. No, no, because then she'd have to be live.
Okay, then August 2nd will be fine. We'll deal with it.
I can, let me see what my next. August 23rd would be my next Zoom. But can she do that? Can you do that, Miss Levis, by Zoom? Okay, we can do August 23rd. Does that work for you, Samara?
Perfect.
Okay. I'm just gonna throw it out there and
Did you say August 23rd, Michelle?
Yeah, let's just do 9 a.m. on August 23rd.
That'd be perfect. Mr. Casson, was that a good day for you also? August 23rd?
Yeah, that works.
Let me pull up that docket before I put too many. Just make sure. Yep, we can do them both at 9 a.m. Okay, and I'll send out new notice today. You're all set.
Thank you so much, and thank you,
welcome.
Your Honor. All right.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. Oh, Mr. Casson, you
Yes.
do have an old driving on suspended that's gonna be set for a show cause. So you need to, Michelle, what does he need to do for that?
Has it been set yet or hasn't
It
been?
says to be set for a show cause for failure to appear on June 28th. Do you want me to reset that case?
I can do, if you just write reset, I can just reset it for you.
Okay, we'll
What venue?
reset that. We'll reset the
Wait.
case and we'll send you notice.
Okay, so those two different cases?
It's another driving on suspended that you have.
Okay.
All right, she'll send you a notice.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, Division 2. Who do I have? Is this Mr. Montanez? Is that, shake your head yes or no? Okay, hold on a second.
Mr. Montanez, your attorney was on this morning and we adjourned this case. She's trying to get the discovery from the prosecutor on both cases. So we adjourned it to August the 2nd at 8:30, okay?
Okay.
And so you're gonna be back on and she'll be in touch. She's gonna come up, reach out to you, okay?
Okay. Today?
All right.
Will she reach out to me today?
I don't know if it's today, but she's gonna reach out to you, okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right, you're all set. Thanks.
Thank you.
Oh, and your sister was here for you too.
Mr. Youngs, good morning.
Good morning.
You probably need to speak with Rima.
If she's available.
She
I'm
is.
available.
Hold on, let me put you in her meeting room.
All right, good deal.
Thank you.
And then Mr. Krutinsky, what are we doing in your case?
I spoke to Rima. She's offering 2 impeding traffic charges, which are civil infractions.
On both of them?
Yeah,
Okay, hold on.
thanks.
Mr. Katinsky,
Good morning,
I'll
Judge.
amend them both to impeding. They're $200 a piece. Pay it within 30 days.
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Nice to see you. Take care.
You too.
Okay, bye-bye.
Mr. Hadley, did Rima get back with you on your case?
Not yet.
Okay.
I'm sending her a, I'll just wait to talk to her. I realize the direct messages only go when she's back in here.
Rima, you have another one. She's in your waiting room.
Okay, thank you.
Someone who waved.
Oh, thank you.
Mr. Youngs, did you already work it out with Rima?
I did, yes.
If you guys, if she's already set she'll just hand it to me later and I'll dispo it.
Okay, so I can get out of here?
Yep.
Okay, good deal.
Thanks. Have a good one.
All right, you too, Michelle. Bye-bye.
Hey, Michelle.
Yes,
Okay, so the Alexander, I don't
right,
want to butcher his name, yeah.
right.
So I don't know, he's having trouble getting back in here, but if I'm in another breakout room,
I'm gonna move him out now here.
oh, okay,
Hopefully he'll,
there he is.
there, he's here. What are we doing on it?
It's just 150 plus court costs.
Okay, hold on. Is he pleading as charged?
Yes. The
Hello?
charge is the overweight, correct? I don't know what that is, because I don't have a.
It's a motor vehicle tax.
Yeah,
Hold on
I-
a second.
it's not in the file you gave me, so I don't have information on there, and there's no officer here.
Yes, I'm here. Hello?
Oh, yeah, you're here, I'm talking about the officer.
Okay.
Yeah,
sorry.
hold on a second.
Yes, I'm here.
It's for the plate that they don't, that he didn't pay the appropriate amount for the plate.
Okay, yeah, I believe that's something that I discussed with him, he just didn't want it to affect his, I guess his driving record.
I don't know what the plate amount is. I'd have to look it up, but we can settle it for, if you're gonna amend it to an impeding, we can do it for $300.
Okay, let's do that then.
All right, pay the 300, Mr. Desvada, within 30 days.
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
All right, you're all set.
Thank you so much. Have a good
Thank
day.
you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge and Press Secretary. Thanks.
You're welcome. Mr. Hadley,
Your Honor, as to my 9 o'clock, Miss Mystique Mandelka, I've made multiple attempts to reach her at the listed number. It's a non-operable number at this time. I don't know if the court wants to wait a little bit later in the docket, or we're going to go ahead and,
well, I'd pull it and issue a bench warrant if she doesn't appear within 48 hours. Okay, so
Very
we'll
good,
let
Your
you know, and we'll, so that we can let the victim go also, Remo.
and if I
Okay.
can just get an audience with Reamer real quick, we should be ready to go on Hamilton.
Okay, you can do that. Miss Yafufi, why don't you grab him?
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Bowditch. Do you need to speak to your client?
Well, we pretty much talked. I need to speak with the prosecutor.
Okay, hold on.
Do we have Rima today?
We do. She's got quite a few people in there, so just hang on tight for a minute.
I'm in Plymouth right now, babysitting their court.
Okay, just hold on a minute.
All right, thanks. Michelle?
Oh, Jeff, I'm watching. I can't put you in there because the victim's in there talking to Rima, so you can't go in there.
Oh, no,
So
no,
I
hon.
am watching to put you in there.
Hon, I was just waiting. Maybe I'll talk to my client while I'm waiting.
Okay. Let me find where she's at. Okay, I'll move you in there.
All right, thanks, hon.
But the thing is in this day and age, post-holding, the fact that
We're all set to go on Hamilton, whenever the court is ready for us.
What are we doing on Hamilton?
Your Honor, we'd like to set
No,
that
it's
for a
me.
final-
It's Michelle.
Sorry, I was looking down. We'd like to set the matter for a final pre-trial for the.
Okay, I can do that. Hold on. Hold on.
Thank you.
Okay, on Hamilton, we're gonna set a final pretrial victim to appear.
Yes, please. Well, the.
Yep. Well, that's the
Yeah.
whole issue why we're holding up today is because the victim, she has to talk to the victim. So
Right.
yeah.
Let's do
Okay.
that.
Okay. So I can do August 2nd with Judge Martin. Does that work? I can do 8:45 or 9:30 or 10.
I actually am stuck in a prelim that morning in 52nd third. What's our next date?
August 9th, live in front of Judge Oakley.
That'll be fine.
10 a.m. on August 9th. And I'll be here at the court.
Very good. Miss Hamilton, I'll give you a call after this is wrapped up and let you know what's going on. Thank you. Appreciate it, Michelle. Have a good day, everybody.
Hey, Michelle, the whole, folder of tickets, I already wrote offers in those. Do you want me to give it to you, or do you want me to hold on as they get called?
Just hold on to them until you're done.
Okay. All right.
And then I have Jeff that needs to talk to you on that matter that you were in. I'm gonna put Jeff in your meeting room, okay?
Okay.
And
Jeff,
Michelle,
go into Rima's meeting room. I just put you in there.
all right.
Good morning, Mr. Margolis.
Hi, I have Dakota
Yep.
Cardinal.
Yep,
and
your
I need to
client
talk to
is
the-
here. You need to, it's set for a final pretrial.
Well, this is a final pretrial.
That's what I said.
And-
It's set for, that is what I said. It's set for a final pretrial.
Right. I need to talk to the prosecutor because if the complainants were not coming, he was going to make a motion to dismiss.
She,
Oh, she?
yes, and we give the victims a half an hour to appear. So hold
Okay.
on. So hold on a second. Rima's got a couple people in there, but I can put you in. Hold on.
Okay.
Michelle, we're ready on Borgelski. It's a jury trial.
Hold on, I need Remo. Jeff, you're retained on this, correct?
I'm retained on this. Yes, ma'am.
That's what I thought. What, Jeff, when, do you know when the other cases, because I know there's other cases out of this incident, or not this, maybe,
Well, it's same neighborhood disputes.
right? Where
Mhm.
are, do you know where, when those are set for?
I'm trying to look in my calendar. I think they're for August 10th in front of Judge.
That sounds familiar. I think so.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was waiting in a Zoom thing.
This
hold on.
witness is crazy and
Uh-huh.
if
Oh.
Stammer, do you have something ready?
Yes, we're ready on Tankersley. We're just asking for a final pretrial where
I
all,
can do that.
yeah, final pretrial witnesses have to appear. If you could give us that date.
Sure.
Hi, Sammer.
Hey, Jeff. I'll
Wait,
call you
what
later.
date do you want? You want the same day as before?
Yeah, that'll be great. That'll be great because I'll be here anyway, August 23rd.
At 9:15?
Perfect. Mr. Tankersley, did you hear that? They're going to send you a notice in the mail, but we'll be back August 23rd at 9:15 for a final pretrial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And victim to appear. Got it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Do you don't have anything else ready?
That's all I have for now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Madam Clerk,
Yep.
Yeah, I spoke to Rima. She wasn't able to contact the witnesses and the witnesses are not here, so.
I still have to give the witnesses a half hour.
Okay, so I'll
So
just be
hang tight,
online.
hang tight. Yeah.
I'll just be online waiting. Okay, thank you.
People versus Kimberly Borgowski.
Ready, Your Honor. Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Ms. Borgelski by Zoom. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for pretrial. We are requesting a jury trial.
September the 15th at 9 a.m. Plea cutoffs are August the 15th. It means no pleas to be offered, Ms. Yafufi, after August 15th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right,
thank you.
you're all set.
Ms. Borgelski, I'll call you.
All righty, thank you, Jeff. I'm all set, I can leave.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Rima,
Yes.
I need you to put on the record, are you confirming that on the Cardinal case that no victim was subpoenaed at all and they will not
No.
appear?
Yeah, we've contacted many times, told them to show
Okay.
up and we couldn't get them, so.
Okay, I just have to make sure, because if they show up within the half hour and,
Right.
okay, I just want to confirm that you say they're not going to come at all.
Yeah, we haven't had
Okay.
contact at all.
Okay, hold on a second.
On Mr. Margolis, on your client's case, People versus Dakota Cardinal, my understanding is that the people are dismissing.
That's correct, Judge.
All right, it's dismissed. You're all set.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You know
Can I
that
get
you
a
have a
copy of the
pretrial
dismissal
on
order?
August, Mr. Cardinal, you have a pretrial on August the 17th though, for disorderly, do you know?
Yeah, I have the paperwork.
Okay,
Yeah, we're
perfect.
aware of that, Judge.
All right, just making sure. You're all
Thank
set
you.
for today. Mm-hmm.
Thanks for your time.
You're welcome.
Rima, you have two people in your waiting room. I can move them to your meeting room.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Kramer, were you here on a pre-hearing?
Yes, hi, and good morning. Yes, we have a
You
plea,
already worked it out with Rima. If it's just a pre-hearing, she'll give them to me at the end of the docket.
Oh, perfect. Okay, good. Guess I'm good to go then.
Yep, you're good to go.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Take care.
Thanks, you too.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Michelle, I also worked out the Bogies Express, but I think he logged off.
That's
But
fine.
Okay, I'm writing it up for you.
It's a pre-hearing, so
Okay. That's done.
thanks.
No problem. And for our exam at the Barnhart exam, that's gonna be a plea. I told Sophia to zoom in as soon as she can with her client, just to do it on Zoom, because she's at Frank Murphy right now.
Hold on. Oh, here's Michael Levitt. He's got pre-hearings with you too. I'll put him right in your meeting.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Roberts, what case are you here on?
Good morning, Madam Clerk. Here on Alexander Forsyth, though I think we might in Oakley's court, so I will double check.
Yeah, you're not on my docket.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Morning, Mr. Glenda.
Yes, good morning.
What
I'm
case are you
not
here
sure
for?
if I'm here on the Mosaic Rich case. I don't know if I'm in the right courtroom or do I go to
No, you're
the-
good. You're good.
I better give my client, I gave him the wrong Zoom number. I gave him the other judge.
Okay.
I gave 580-707-8882.
Okay.
So I better call and give him the right number. I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay?
Sure.
All right.
Good morning, Mr. Powers. I'll put you in with the prosecutor.
Good morning. Thank you.
Good morning. Rima, I put him in your meeting room.
Thank you.
Mr. Glenda, do you need to speak with the prosecutor?
Sure.
Mr. Powers, did you work it out?
I did, and then the prosecutor's video froze up, so I'm not sure if we're done or not.
Do you think I can jump in and talk to her. Hold on.
Yeah, she froze up and then
Where'd
it
she
disappeared.
go? Yeah, she's not. I wonder if we lost her.
Because we had an amount and a time to pay. And I think she said, we're not going to put it on the record. So I think we're
Yeah,
all
we
done,
don't.
but
She'll write it down. She'll write it down and give it to me.
okay, so I'm good then.
Yeah, if there's a problem, I'll let you know. But you should be
Okay.
fine.
Okay, very good. All right, great. Thanks. Have a good day then.
Thanks, you too.
All right, bye-bye.
Good morning, Council.
Hi, good morning, Michelle. Hey, I've got one case they're gonna call me in on circuit court over here.
Okay.
So I don't know, is there a prosecutor today or?
No, there's Rima. I think we lost her though. I'm waiting for her to
Oh,
come
okay.
back.
Okay, so if you can put me after a couple other people, that'd be great, because I just
Yeah,
gotta run in and take care of one
Yeah,
case. if I
yeah, we
could.
lost her, I think.
Yeah,
Okay.
hold on. Let me see if I can get her back.
So if I can come back at 11, that'd be wonderful. Is that okay?
Sure. Just as soon as you can come back.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Mhm. Mr. Glenda.
Yes.
Can you call your client? He can't figure out how he's not connecting to audio and they can't talk to him. Our clerk's trying to get his information.
All right, I'll sign off and then I'll come back.
Okay. Can you hear me, Rima?
Thank you.
Oh, we got you back.
Yeah, I think I just had to step out of here.
Sir, do you have audio now?
Yeah, Mr. Rich, you're fine. I see you.
Yeah, he still doesn't have audio.
Yeah, I talked to him.
But you're gonna
I
have
don't
to
know.
bring him up on your phone or something because we can't talk to him. We have no way of communicating with him. He can't
Yeah,
hear us and we can't hear him.
Yeah, I'm on an iPhone in court in Detroit in Frank Murphy. I'm not that tech savvy to begin with, so I have no idea how to do that.
Then I have to adjourn the case.
Okay.
Nothing I can
Can
do,
we-
but he has to learn how to connect, or I will make it in person.
Yeah, well, let's do another Zoom for next Wednesday. Can we do that, please?
Yep,
All right. We don't need to go on the record then, right?
you're on the record.
Oh, okay.
Okay, July 26th. In front of Judge Lisa Martin at 9:15 a.m.
And that's by Zoom. Mr. Rich, if you can hear us.
He
raise your
can't hear
hand.
you.
Oh, he can't? Okay.
He has no audio. He can't hear us.
All right. July 26th at 9:15, Judge Martin by Zoom.
Yep,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Well, now he's connecting. Of course he's. Mr. Rich, do you have audio now?
Yes, can you hear
Yeah,
me?
your attorney just logged off. We adjourned it to July 26th, next Wednesday at 9:15 with Judge Martin. But hold on, I gotta put you into with the clerk, so you have to get your information, okay?
Okay. Hello.
Yep, hold on. All right, Mr. McCandless, let me put you in with Rima.
Okay,
Rima,
thank
can
you.
you jump in your meeting room? Oh, you need to be host again. Hold on. I think I have to move you because you're on your phone. Sammer, you're all set. Thank you.
You guys have a wonderful day.
Thanks, you too.
Bye-bye.
Rima, how come you came back?
Because it kicked me out again. I'm gonna go into the meeting room.
Go ahead.
So weird. Won't move me.
Oh, Charlie, shut up.
You're all set, Mr. Rich. You can go.
Oh.
Rima, I moved you, but let me see if I move you somewhere else. Did you get that one? And then I can move you again once you get in there. Do you see it?
Not getting anything.
They just sent you another invite to your waiting room.
Nothing's popping up.
I see it. I see you in the meeting, like you got the invite. Is it showing it?
It's not showing up on my screen.
Are you on your phone still or are you?
No, I'm on my iPad now.
Oh, it should. Can you see the breakout rooms?
I can see the breakout rooms and the check mark is on my meeting room, but it's not like letting me join. So weird. I'm gonna log off and back on.
All right, if that doesn't work, you're gonna have to go downstairs where we have all the computers and jump on there. No.
I step out of the room, I'm connected. When I go in there, it's like my network dies.
Rima, let's see.
Hey, Michelle. He's in-
Yeah,
he's
did
not
we
in
work that
the-
out?
I'm Trying to.
Oh.
No, he room, like, I mean, at his desk, screaming through the Zoom so he could hear me, but he's not there.
Who is not there? McCandless?
Yeah, he's not, like, his chair is empty, and I was like yelling through the Zoom the entire
Oh,
time to get his
I know he
attention.
had another, he had a hearing downtown, another one. He's down at Third Circuit.
Okay, I mean, I wrote the offer out,
I'll
we
move him
gotta put
out
it in
and
the
see if he
file
comes,
and-
I'll move him out and see if he comes back.
and show up with her client and take the plea for Barnhart.
Ms. Nelson?
Yes, good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Wait.
My understanding is that Mr. Barnhart is a plea. Is that correct?
Yes,
To what?
misdemeanor operating while intoxicated.
No stipulations on sobriety court, right?
No, he's in treatment. I think it's a stipulation that he continue successful completion of, he's in treatment through Dawn Farms right now.
Okay, just making sure that it's not a requirement. Mr. Barnhart, can you hear me?
Yes,
Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice, or is it impaired first or intox first, Ms. Nelson?
Yeah, well, the people are reducing an OWI third to an OWI second.
Okay, so it's an OWI second, intact second. Got it. Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice or rights form?
yes,
And is it true that on or about January the 10th of this year, you were in Van Buren Township and you had consumed alcohol before getting behind the wheel of the vehicle that you were driving?
yes, ma'am.
As a result of your consumption of alcohol, your ability to drive was substantially affected.
Yes,
You have a prior conviction for operating under the influence.
yes,
Do you understand this plea?
yes,
Is it voluntary?
yes,
Anybody promise you or threaten you to get you to plead in this matter?
no,
I'll accept your plea. I'm gonna send you to probation. They're gonna send you an email that you're gonna sign on and link and answer some questions. Then you'll have a meeting by Zoom with our probation department. Then they'll set up a sentencing, send the report to Ms. Nelson and set it up for a Zoom sentencing. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
So watch for that email, okay?
Okay,
All right, you're all
Your Honor,
set.
I want to
Yep.
put on the record, Your Honor, that the terms of the sentencing agreement are that Mr. Barnhart complete outpatient substance abuse treatment, which he's currently enrolled in, and that there be no jail time.
Okay. Okay, that's it.
All right, and I'll get a notice to appear for the sentencing date.
You will.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
thank you.
Ms. Fufi, do we
Yes,
have
Judge.
anything else online?
I think I had one.
Oh, we still
last-
have Brown.
Okay.
We still have Bryant Brown. I apologize. We need Ms. Choate.
Mr. McCandless, she gave it to me, the plea.
Okay, okay,
It's 3,500 doing 30
Okay.
days.
perfect. I'll take it.
Okay,
3,500, 30 days. Got it. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
Bye-bye.
What's the Wi-Fi here? My network is completely down.
Good morning, Miss Choate.
Good morning.
We're still waiting on the jail.
I believe, and I don't know if they've communicated this with you at all, but Mr. Brown also had a PCC in the 22nd District Court, and I believe that there was some difficulties getting him in front of the Zoom. We waived his presence there and set the preliminary exam if the court would like to do
Oh,
this.
okay, okay, hold on. Is it, are we setting an exam?
I believe so, yes. I have received both paper and digital discovery for this matter, so it is just the exam date that is needed.
Okay, okay, hold on a second.
Thank you.
People versus Bryant Brown. Mr. Fufi, are you ready on this case?
Yes, the people are ready, Your Honor.
What are we doing?
I believe we're setting an exam.
Yes, Your Honor. I believe that there's been some difficulty with the jail in getting Mr. Brown via on the Zoom. We do have paper and digital discovery, so at this point, I would just be requesting an exam and that his presence be waived for this PCC.
August 23rd at noon.
August 23rd, Your Honor.
Correct.
Your Honor, because Mr. Brown is in custody, is there any possibility of doing an earlier exam date?
That's the next time that I have her, so no.
Understood, Your Honor. Would you like the case to be called, or can I set the date?
I just did call, I just
you did.
called it and I just said it, so you're all set.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a
All
good rest of
right,
the day.
yep, you're good. Michelle, are we done?